My name is Ryuzo Furukawa, Graduate School of Environmental and Information Studies, Tokyo City University. Today, I'd like to give you a lecture about lifestyle innovation for sustainable society. Have you come to Japan? Now, we are losing community spaces outside, like this. This is a picture of Okinawa Island. In old days, they were using the water there, and they are washing the clothes or they are drinking the water, and children is having fun at this place. But now we have many convenient things so that we don't have to get together in this area. So that right now nobody come to these places. So we are losing community spaces outside. And also we are losing nature and culture. In Japan, we have an old culture, which is they catch fish in the river and get together in these kind of houses and having fun. But right now, there are not much fishes in the river, so that they cannot catch fish, so that they are losing this culture. And also we are losing technologies, especially old technologies. The picture, in this picture, this is old Japanese paper, but we are losing technologies to make this kind of Japanese paper. And also we are losing traditional dancing like this. In old days, especially before the World War II, we had this kind of lifestyles. Individuals is connected with community, and community is connected with nature. But after the World War II, we got many technologies based on the underground resources, so that we can survive by individuals. So we are losing the relationship between individuals and communities. So that, and also we had a global scale environmental issues, so that we are losing nature and we are losing community. And this nature and community is a source of affluence, so that maybe we are losing affluences in the future, because maybe in the future we cannot use those kind of technologies based on underground resources. So we need to find out the sustainable lifestyles for the future. And in this book, you will find out the old lifestyles. After interviewing 600 people about the old lifestyles, we've noticed that the daily old lifestyles are beautiful. We try to share the beauty of lifestyles, behaviors, and sense of values with people. This SNS site expressed the beauty of lifestyles by simple words like this. This is Japanese, but maybe you can exchange to the English. I want to show you several examples of the beauty of lifestyle. This is we call woven words, mori ori. Beech trees and Japanese gold thread medicinal plant were co-cultivated. The practice mirrored the rhythms of nature fostering harmony between trees and plants that nourished one another in a cyclical process. Villagers would peel bark from beech trees to promote the cultivation of Japanese gold thread. This nurtured the soil while enabling both plants and to thrive. When a beech tree fell, it decomposed, enriching the earth and creating space for new growth. This natural cycle was seen as a renewal of life. The next one is called plugged into the earth, a deep connection to the energy in the soil. This phrase captures the idea that whoever is plugged into the earth's vitality is recharged. An elderly woman recalled her childhood experience of working in the rice fields. At the time, she was told she was receiving energy from the soil. Initially, she disliked the discomfort underfoot, but she grew older. She began to interpret this sensation as evidence of being plugged into the earth. She came to see that each time she walked in the fields, she felt re-energized, as if the soil itself was empowering her. The third one, heartstrings of happiness. I like this one. The act of sharing one's happiness with others. This term reflects a vision of interconnectedness, where personal happiness contributes to community well-being. A 19-year-old man once said, "Share your happiness." He acknowledged that it can be hard to achieve a relationship with anyone that is free from negative emotion. But he firmly believed in the idea of weaving happiness into the fabric of human bonds. The next one, bran scrub, sakuji fuki, a traditional cleaning practice where rice bran is wrapped in the cloth and used to clean and polish surfaces. This reflects the wisdom of a bygone era using natural materials to maintain a home. Children in Shiroishi, a city in Miyagi Prefecture, would wrap rice bran in cloth in order to scrub wooden floors and kitchen boards. The natural oils in the rice bran lifted dirt and brought out a sheen. Last one, dazzling toil. The uplifting satisfaction of work aimed at the brilliance and beauty of nature. When accompanied by brilliant colors of the natural world, routine work is transformed into a fulfilling experience. In Mie Prefecture, in Japan, women who spent decades as ama, free divers, would speak of a motivation beyond mere financial necessity. Many would simply say, because the sea is beautiful. Underwater scenes nurtured a profound sense of purpose. For these women, diving was a harmonious way of living. What do you think? I think these are very beautiful and a very beautiful lifestyle, and also we can find out the beautiful heart in their lifestyles. And after that, we analyzed all the interview memo, and we picked up common values in the interview. Then we extracted 44 values in the lifestyles 100 years ago. And these are the 44 values. And the first 15 values, this is about the nature. This is about the relationship between nature. The first one, living in tune with nature. And number two, nature know-how. And the food from mountains, river, ocean. They are eating food from mountains, river, and ocean. And they are getting your own food by themselves and expending time and effort on preserved foods. Simple everyday meals, sometimes special days, special food. Praying to your heart's content in the hills, making good use of water, fuel from local mountains and woods, a house at the heart of the home. Gratitude for nature, trees at home, supporting everyday life. A home that reflects the way you live, and also a 1-year stock they keep. And that's next to the number 25. This is about the relationship between people and also about the people. Number 16, they were making everything by hand and mending and careful use, using things until they are useless. Number 19, building on ingenuity, creature all around, songs at the heart of everyday life, ways to help each other, willingness to share, fun times together, and giving guests a good welcome. And from 26, this is about a community, wisdom about the community. Number 26, a place to run into people. There are many places to run into people. The fun of festivals and markets, upholding customs, life and death up close. Lots of people living together, feeling for family, roles for everyone, and kids working too. Learning through living together. One life, many livelihoods. Trading value without money. Towns linked with village. Small shops. Big bus. Selling one food and by weight. Walking everywhere, little luxury. Interesting stories, and just right. And at last, this is a very important concept, very important values, feeling glad to be alive. These 44 values are the common values in old days in Japan, and also we visited United States and EU and also Asia. And I found out that they also have same 44 values. Maybe this is a common values for sustainable lifestyles. But please look into old lifestyles in your country. Maybe you will find a beautiful of lifestyles. So if you have a grandfather or grandmother, they will know about the beauty of lifestyles. So if you want to learn more about designing sustainable lifestyle and developing lifestyle innovation system, please contact us and come in the joint degree program in Tokyo City University and Edith Cowan University. Thank you very much.